Hey, welcome to 211, my stews.
Hey, sorry guys, I can't be here today. But here's your agenda. Today you guys are looking at the graph of an inverse trig function so that you guys can see what the domain and range is of the inverse trig functions. And that is the biggest thing right there, is knowing what the domain and range is of an inverse trig function. Guys, remember functions have an input and an output. What can the domain and the range be for our inverse trig functions? Inverse trig functions solve any trig equation using inverse trig functions. That's your goal. Okay, that's what you want to be able to do at the end. These two questions right here are two questions that I think you guys should be able to answer in order to really understand this. So see if you guys can answer these two questions after you guys watch at least two of the instructional videos. Why is the domain between -1 and +1? And what are the ranges for the first three inverse functions? Inverse trigonometric functions. I forgot to put trig right there. But anyways, the first three trig functions are sine, cosine, and tangent. And so you're going to be looking at inverse sine, inverse cosine, and inverse tangent today. And then I have time for you guys to watch or to do some practice. Okay, so the cart is open. You guys have access to the laptops. I want you guys to do at least 2 videos on your own. If you guys have headphones, that would be best. And take notes. Take notes of what you're looking at. Don't forget to memorize unit circle, guys. And 6.5 HQ is tomorrow. We spent so much time on this. I don't think another Q&A is necessary for it. So you guys can use your practice time for this too if you guys need to at your tables. So this is supposed to be already due, but tomorrow is when we're going to have the HQ. And this is going to be due on Wednesday, 6.6. That is the inverse trig functions. Here's your page. When you guys get here, there's your 6.6 videos. Definitely watch this first one. I think this is I think it's good, actually. I would love to have some criticism on it. And then watch one of these example videos. You can start with this one and then just start trying to do problems, see if you guys can get it. If anything with this period is going to be for you guys is, one, to look at and try to understand what the heck an inverse trigonometric function is, how to use it, and what its graph looks like. If you guys can't figure that stuff out, then ask me questions. Write down some questions on a question page, and tomorrow I'll clear that stuff up when I'm back. Hope you guys have a good study time.